In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a missing bank transaction in Xero. This is perfect for situations where your bank feed didn't bring a payment through, but you still need your accounts and bank balance to stay accurate. We'll create the spend money transaction, then mark it as reconciled so it's treated as cleared in your bank. Start on your Xero dashboard and locate the bank account the payment came from. Open the menu with the three dots next to that account. From that menu, choose Spend Money. This tells Xero you're recording money that went out of the bank, and it opens a form where you'll enter the details. At the top of the form, choose the payee in the To field. This should be the contact you paid, such as a supplier or vendor. Selecting the correct contact helps with reporting and keeps your history tidy. Next, enter the date. Make sure it matches the date on your actual bank statement. Using the exact statement date keeps your running balance accurate and helps future reconciliations. Add a clear reference as well. This could be the statement narration, an invoice number, or a short note that makes it obvious what the payment was for when you review it later. Now complete the line details. Select the appropriate item so Xero knows how to code the expense. Choosing the right item will automatically bring in the correct account and, if applicable, tax settings associated with that item. Update the description if you need extra clarity and confirm the amount matches your bank statement exactly. If there's tax involved, make sure the tax treatment reflects what actually happened so your totals are correct. When everything looks right, click Save. Xero will create the spend money transaction in that bank account. To finish things off, open the transaction you just created from your bank account's transaction list. You'll see all the details you entered. Click Options, then choose Mark as Reconciled. Xero will ask you to confirm, so click Mark as Reconciled again. This tells Xero the payment has already cleared the bank and should no longer appear as something that needs matching on the Reconcile screen. That's it. You've manually entered a missing payment and set it to Reconciled, keeping your bank balance and reports in sync. Quick recap. Open the bank account menu, choose Spend Money, enter the payee, date, reference, and item details, save, then open the transaction and mark it as reconciled. Double check the date, amount, and coding before saving, and you'll avoid corrections later.